few weeks ago, Trump passed the One Big Beautiful Bill, which brought major changes to the tax landscape. I'm going to walk you through how two of those provisions will save you tens of thousands of dollars in taxes this year. So let's get right to the whiteboard. Number one, bonus depreciation has been reinstated at 100%. Now this applies to assets in your business that are going to provide useful life greater than 1 year. Previously, you weren't able to deduct everything in year one, right? You'd have to depreciate this asset over the useful life. Maybe it's 5 years, 7 years, 15 years, whatever. But with bonus depreciation now at 100%, you can deduct that entire asset in year one and get that benefit accelerated rather than having to wait 7 years across the asset's useful life. Without Trump stepping in and reinstating this, bonus was at 40% depreciation. Common examples for this are cars, which may be subject to various rules, but if it's greater than 6,000 pounds and it's used primarily in your business, I'll let you do some research and spin your wheels on what kind of cars you can deduct with this. And especially for any real estate pros out there that are familiar with the cost segregation study and how we're going to accelerate depreciation on a house or a rental property, we love 100% bonus for that as well. Then moving down to our second provision, the QBI deduction. With this bill, you can deduct 20% of your business income, take that as a deduction on your personal tax return, obviously reducing taxable income and moreover reducing taxes. And now I drew up some numbers here just so you could see the power of these deductions and with these provisions and how it's going to help you. So let's say you forget the rules. Let's just say you have a $100,000 car that you want to take bonus on. You pass the test, you meet the rules, so you're eligible for a 100% bonus. That's a $100,000 deduction. Again, without that, it was only going to be a $40,000 deduction. And then moving on to the QBI, it was set to go away. So if you have $500,000 in pass-through income, right, coming from your single member LLC, from your S corporation, from your partnership, that pass-through income, we get 20% deduction. If you have $500,000 coming in from the business, that's a $100,000 deduction. Without this bill, it was going to be zilch, not a nothing. Then we tally up our deductions. You get $40K under the old laws, $200K under the new laws. And just for examples purposes, let's assume your marginal tax bracket is 24%. Total, with the change, you're looking at nearly $40,000 in taxes saved, thanks to Trump. With this bill, a lot of the provisions are encouraging small business owners, side hustlers. If you're self-employed and doing six figures in business, you need to understand not only these tax changes, but all the other ones in the bill as well. Where can we take most advantage? How can we be strategic? And what can we do between now and the end of the year to reduce our taxable income and set us up for generational wealth? Please, if you don't have a tax advisor, send us a DM, get in touch with us. We'd be happy to help you and improve your tax picture.